Alright, welcome everybody. I was asked to do a more detailed video, so here it is. This isn't usually my thing. Usually it's drag racing. So if you're into Tesla drag racing and you feel like you want to watch more videos, this is your channel. If you do drag race and you would like to upload your videos, you can contact me and I'll be glad to share it. If you drag race quite a bit, I'll be even to make you manager. So give me a call. If you're into this, like and subscribe. Alright, but we got the Park Upgrade Assist, which everybody's been hearing about. So we got Apple Podcast, where I'll go ahead and let you read what you want. So yeah, I know don't have the best personality for YouTube, but I'm one of the first people to get it. So got peer pressure to do more detailed video. Darn you people. No, I'm just kidding. The Castle download game. And there's more. I'm not going to show you everybody the game, but we got our arcade updates, where I'm sure they just added Cybertruck to it. So, but there's the release notes on that one. Yeah. We got the custom lock sounds, which, yeah, I'm not going to be playing with that right now either. We've seen I could switch my horn to a quacking duck or an old horn. It automatically now calls 911 in the event of emergency. This is nice. On our speed routes, it's going to show us where there's cameras. So we can add the trip to the our mobile app. Alternative routes while driving. We got more camera views and live camera. The automatic blind spot camera. We got the additional light show, which I actually did a video of, uploaded that yesterday on my webpage. Autopilot suspension. Okay, so this is the recall. So if you want to pause, you can read all that. I guess this is also part of the recall. No, I'm not. I could be mistaken. This is definitely part of the recall, but I'm not sure about the autopilot suspension. There's minor updates to Tidal and Apple Music. And that's pretty much all the updates. So if you want to see the 3D camera in work, you go back. I'll just probably start driving. Alright, open my garage door. Somewhat recognizing the garage door opening. So, but yeah, it's pretty amazing that I just uploaded it. You can see there's even a gap in between my car. I don't know how the cameras can see that. There's my Model 3 that I drag race. But let's see what it looks like with backing on out. It looks pretty good. And it looks like now it just switches back to the regular point of view. You put it back in drive. So there's not really a semi there. So I hope this answers y'all's questions that you had. It's pretty cool. I'm one of the first people to get the holiday update. And thank you for the comments. And if you enjoy this kind of stuff, like and subscribe.